Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are going to have a look on Nokia E63, and today I have like two of these devices. So I did not actually own this device like previously, but my friend used to own this device, and I have used this kind of devices at the time. So this like the Nokia E63 was like the low-end device in Nokia E6 series or E series devices. So this is quite like not built like other devices which has like metal body, stainless steel body and other things, and media control and other things. But this device also very well sell device, and I have seen many people using this device, and I like this device very much in many aspects. So we are going to have a look all those things. Although this device is very old, but it's still working fine. It's about 15 years old now. So here, as you can see, I have two of them. This one is like I haven't changed anything. This was like a new device. I got it, but this device I have changed like the keyboard and other things, but working perfectly fine. So physically, the plastic body, nothing interesting, and I hate like the flap-like design where this flap always breaks in almost all of the Nokias I have. I don't have any flaps here; they are all gone. So this device, we have micro USB. Here, but you cannot charge with micro USB, only you have to use like barrel jack, and we have micro SD card slot. And here is a speaker. As you can see, we have a 3.5 jack like Nokia E72 and E71. They have like 2.5 jack, which I don't really like. So 3.5 jack is really good actually. I can use my all the earphones here available, and we have QWERTY keyboard here. We have our 2.5, maybe 1.5 or 2.5 barrel jack to charge, and this side we don't have anything. And this device don't have like media control buttons, where Nokia E6, E72, E73 and all those devices have like media control device like volume up, down and pause button. So this device actually has 2MP camera here, you can see, and also we have flash, and they have a like a mirror like thing. If you want to take selfie, you can take. And in front we have 2.4-inch display, like 240 by 320 maybe, not sure. And we have a like sensor to control the brightness, maybe that is a light sensor. And if I open the back panel, so as you can see, I put my SIM card here to try, and it's running on BP4L. One thing is really amazing about this device actually is that the battery backup is really great. So I have been like, this device is sitting around for weeks now. I put the battery and I just kept it out there, and this device actually did not run out battery, and still like have the battery like 50%, more than 50%. So let's go and turn this device on. This is already turned on device, so let's go with this device. It vibrated. It takes time actually a bit to turn on. It will feel like it is not turning on, but it is actually turning on. So the device is now turning on. So I have been exploring this device for a few days now, trying to install the things and what we can do with this device, or what is the experience of listening to the music and other things. Basically, for a 2008 device, all these things actually properly great actually. So as you can see, the device is turned on, and we can see that we have like network here, like it is on 3G network. So 3G is working just fine here. And if I go to home, so you can see all the apps and everything. And I have installed like Opera Mini here. It was quite difficult because of certificate error, but you can walk around and install. So this one actually has Wi-Fi also. Like few days back I have reviewed like Nokia 5230 did not have like Wi-Fi, but it is also running on 3.5G network. So here also we have 3G network. Basically this is running on Symbian 3rd generation device, where Nokia E71 and E72 on 5th version of Nokia S60, Symbian S60, but it is quite similar. There is nothing changed actually. So as I said, I have installed some apps and things. If I go like connectivity section, you can see Bluetooth and other things here. We have Wallen Wizard so that we can connect to the Wi-Fi. In the download section, we have nothing here. And tools section, We have few things here like settings, maps and other things, and we also have memory card. And office section, we have like file manager, quick office and other things. And if you want to connect wireless keyboard, you can connect. Wireless headphone, if you want to connect. So media, we have camera, music player and everything. So if I open camera, so camera actually, although it is a 2 megapixel camera as I said for like Nokia 5330, this takes actually quite decent photos. It's still quite good. So although those are not sharp, but it's still like for 2008 device, quite good. We have gallery here, so whatever photos you took, it will be here. So you can see. And we have real player to play the video. And we have YouTube and Facebook. This doesn't work right now. So let's go and check like Opera Mini here. So if I open Opera Mini, like click. It takes time because this one is only have like 120 MB is internal storage and 64 MB RAM. So it is quite slower than like Nokia E71 and E72, but it is not really, you will not have any issue with hanging or freezing. It is working completely fine. So I'm connecting with my mobile data here. I'm not connecting with Wi-Fi, and mobile data is working just fine. So connection. I really hate this kind of thing, like you have to connect each and every time you have to press the connection. For a sporty device, maybe you don't have to do such a thing. So we can connect. So as you can see, we have been to Facebook and it is working just fine. And I have installed like JetTube. So installing JetTube is a hassle actually to do, because you cannot go to JetTube website directly from your internal browser. So what I have done is that I just download it in my PC and send it through Bluetooth. So and installed it. So if you see my message section, okay, let's go to the message section. Communication, messaging, so inbox. So as you can see, Bluetooth, JetTube, and I have already installed this one, so I am not going to install again. So, and actually amazingly, JetTube is working here, although it is not working on many devices, but here it is working. So if I click JetTube, as you can testing, loading, and we have to connect to our network. It takes time, as I said. It could be because of my internet connection, because I have like the SIM card has data. Those are 4G data, but this one is running on 3G, so I'm having some issue with those things. But still, it's working. It's slow, but it's working. There is no issue. So we can see like 3G up here. But although you can access YouTube here, but you cannot really watch YouTube videos directly from here. You can't do anything. Like you can browse and you can download the videos directly from here. So as you can see here, we have like the videos are arriving here. If you want to search a video, you just can go here and search option. Like if I search my channel, RandomRepairs. So it is loading now. So as you can see here, RandomRepairs. And by the way, thank you very much for 2K subscribers. It took me like 1.5 years now to get to 2K subscribers. So thank you very much, those who are watching my videos. I hope my videos are helpful to you. So we have like 2K, we are in our channel. So if I click on playlist, it will load all the playlist here. So as you can see here, like all the playlist. And if I go like, okay, we are in the playlist, latest videos. Yeah, we are in the playlist now. Click on nostalgia. So let's go to how we can watch videos here to check that one. So here are all the videos I have uploaded in nostalgia playlist. So if I click one of the video, so you can see the watch option here. So if I click on watch, I can't really watch videos. So if I hit push yes, I only found it like in Nokia Symbian Bell devices, like you can really watch the videos directly, but in this kind of devices, what you can do is directly you can get like you can download the videos. So as you can see, we got the download option, and if you press OK, it will download the videos. So you can watch. So you can even choose the resolution. So you go to like close. If I go option here, setting, I have set it to 360p because it doesn't work on 720p. So if you have like Nokia E98 and other device, you can choose it to 720p. And here we have 124p O2. There are some options like if you want playback method. If you set it to online Symbian Bada, it doesn't work here. I don't know why. So you cannot really watch videos directly, but you can download and watch videos. So that's quite good. At least you can like browse YouTube here. So let's go and like call in the device, like I call the device here. So let's see if we can call or not. It should work. I have tested it. So let's go and call from my another device. And you can like test the audio too. It is quite loud actually, and quite sound is really good here. Quite nostalgic sound. So we end the call. So calling and everything, messaging is working just fine, and I love this keyboard. This keyboard is so good actually. So basically like Nokia E7, E71, E72, even E5 and E6, they all have like really good keyboard, but those keyboards are really hard to press sometimes, and those are really plasticky. But this keyboard has like soft touch feeling, and also it is really soft to touch, and you will feel like you are typing something. So that's why this is actually really good for messaging here. And one thing about the Nokia devices, which is that these all have like a always on display, which are really talking about like in an iPhone. So as you can see here, we have this device, which is you can see the time all the time. Here we can see like it is on wrong date, wrong time, because I did not put SIM card here. So this device also working, and you can see the time here. So if I open, so this is also working just fine, no issue. And all this device actually really good. And maybe about $5, you can get it like even $5 to $7. You can get one of this device. I got it like for $2, and I got like that device. So I don't know what I'm buying, but when I got this device, this device working. Just need to put new battery. It's about same price. If you buy a battery, it's about $5 now. So this device is actually working really well, and I think you guys have used this kind of device, and if you have any memories with this device, you can comment below and share how did you use this device. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.